Hello, this is Jackie with JNN Reviews, and today I am very excited to promote the HUM Collagen Love. So this was a sample sent by HUM. Thank you, HUM, for the sample. There are 90 capsules. This is good for a month. You need to take 3 capsules a day, and this is how they look. I also 3 of this is what you need. They're very easy to swallow with a glass of water or juice or tea, no problem. And I like it because it has vitamin C, it has collagen peptides, it has grapeseed extract, it has hyaluronic acid. So the ingredients are very clean, it is non-GMO, it doesn't have artificial sweeteners, it doesn't have any gluten. So I hope you enjoy them and I hope you enjoy the benefits of collagen. Thank you for watching my video.